Now we get to talk about the side menu and its outstanding capabilities.
The side menu is a great option if you would like to expand your app's functionality and features even further and provide your users with a rich navigation experience. The side menu is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Unlike the navigation section, the side menu is not limited to a certain number of components to add. If you want a feature, add it right away and don't worry about any limitations. All you have to do is drag and drop the feature into the side menu, and voila, you are good to go. The components order is completely flexible. For instance, here you can choose both the channels feature and the map search feature. Once they're in, you can rearrange their order in the list. One feature we totally recommend using in the side menu is QR scanning. It is one of the most used features at the moment. QR scanning can be used to connect users to the app groups and channels with just one simple scan. You also have the option to disable the side menu. Just switch it off by toggling this button off. Everything you needed to know about creating a side menu for your app is now at your fingertips. Explore the world of app development and start building apps now with the nandbox native no-code app builder.